Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo here, and today I'm bringing you a really small, quick little Dollar Tree haul. I was in Dollar Tree twice last week and I picked up a few odds and ends I thought I would pop on before I hop out the door and share with you guys what I'm finding. So I don't know how many of you are fans of Salon Selectives from the 80s. Maybe it was 90s. I just remember loving this stuff for the different scents. Well, Dollar Tree is putting out the Salon Selectives in both shampoo and conditioner in two different formulas. So this one is the volume body, and it is a pretty good size. It's 22.5 ounces, and the best part is it comes with a pump. I love things like this for my bathroom, for the kids' bathroom, and it smelled pretty good in the store. Takes me right back to those school days when this was like a major favorite. Very good scent on this. I picked up two shampoos. I have quite a good stock of conditioners, so I just wanted to pick up a few of the shampoos to go along with that. So this one is the Marula Magic by Salon Selectives. This one's more of a conditioning or moisturizing shampoo, and it's in the white packaging, and again 22.5 ounces. This one's less strong of a scent, still smells clean, and they did have the shampoo and the conditioner in this one and in this one. And I'm always looking at the socks when I go to the Dollar Tree, primarily because I have a child who likes crazy socks, and that's a good place to find them on occasion. But they actually had my favorite socks, so I did pick up 3 packs. These are my absolute favorite socks, and I've been waiting to find some. Now this is why they're my favorite. First of all, you get 2 pair for $1. They're really light on top, and there's almost like a design or mesh on top, and then they're nice and heavy on the bottom. And this is why they're my favorite. I have big feet. I wear like a size 9 to 10 in women's shoes, and it's hard to find socks that are not going to be too small after a few washes on my feet, and this is the extended size 6 to 11. So I was happy to find 3 packs of these. Now I can go ahead and recycle some of my other socks that are just shrunk, too small, not my favorite. These do come on occasion in different color combinations. What they'll do is put like a color around here, and then the back pair will be the same color. And I love that I was able to find them in all white. And then, I guess speaking of socks, in the seasonal section, I've seen most of what they put out for 4th of July, patriotic decor, and they did put out a couple other things that I wanted to share with you really quick. My store finally got in some of the adult size socks. Now I did share all of those things with you guys in a shop with me a couple weeks back, and they had out the children's socks but not the adult. And so I was able to find this pair. It'll definitely go to my crazy sock wearer, because he'll wear these in like December and just rock them. So these are the adult. They're just gray. They had a few different ones, but this is the pair I picked up, and it is sizes 6 to 12 adult. So I thought those were cute. And while I was over there, I picked up one of these. I thought about picking up 3, and then I thought, no, my oldest is a little too old for this. So I was gonna pick up 2, and I ended up picking up 1 because I'm realizing my 2 older kids are just too old for this stuff. Now I would wear it, but this is going to be something we pull out on the 4th of July for our youngest. It's just an LED light up necklace, something to wear when the lights go down and fireworks start. Now, I will tell you, they had probably a dozen of these on display, and I did check. So they have the little button back here, and when you push it, they just flash and off. So it's not multifunction like the Christmas bulbs were, and about half of them, when I pushed that button, did not turn on. So if you're going to pick these up, definitely check that it works before you buy it. And also I noticed these stars are in 2 pieces, and some of them were not quite clicked together. So you might want to take a look at that as well. Make sure you get the best one you can. And then here's a few fun little things. So we have someone graduating from middle school very soon, and she's got her whole outfit planned out. She's got a little necklace that's gold, and I saw this. I've seen these before, but we didn't really have a need for one. But I thought this would be really pretty with what she's wearing. It's just one of those elastic glass bead bracelets. Very, very pretty, and it's got that gold tone, and she's wearing a gold necklace, so I picked that up for my daughter. And then I picked her these up. I have no problem with the Dollar Tree nail clippers. I think they work just fine. Most of the time I either pick them up at the 99-cent only store or the Dollar Tree, and they work just as well as the ones that I buy at Walmart by the Trim brand. But these are just cute, so hopefully they work as well. I'm sure you guys have seen these. These are the rose gold mermaid fingernail and toenail clippers. Really, really cute. This would be something to get now and set aside for a stocking stuffer. I'm just gonna go ahead and give them to her because she actually needs one of each. And I think these are a really cute little gadget. Maybe a little birthday present you could put together for all kinds of nail care for a teenager. I think that'd be really cute. This is something I'm very excited about. I think they had these out a year or 2 ago. These are a hide-a-rock. So I was checking out, and in the front where they put out sort of those last minute grab items, they had a little display of these, and I picked one up. All the rocks looked similar, but all slightly different. And so it is a key holder. We're probably not gonna use it for that, but I thought that my son would have fun hiding different things in it. So let me go ahead and get it out of the plastic to see how this works. Okay, I have really no idea how this is going to work. Sorry for the crumpling of the plastic. So this feels like a faux stone, maybe for the garden. This is what the back looks like. It almost looks magnetic. I don't have very long nails. Okay, so it just kind of slides out, and it has a little tray. So I'm sure he'll find lots of fun little things to hide in here. So there's really no back to this little tray, so it's definitely a little key holder or key hider. And that's my fun little last gadget in that area. Now I did pick up one gift bag. They had out so many cute new gift bags. I got some footage. I'll put together a shop with me for you guys. This is the one I picked just to add to my stash. Now it is a very tall bag, and I think it's super cute. It's got the little ice cream sundae on top. So it's got the 3 little ice creams. It's blue. It's got no glitter on this side, glitter on this side. But this is what I always look at, and it's a nice deep bottom. And so I thought that was a cute, what do the tags look like? I didn't even look. Okay, so the tag is a little cherry, and it's got little ribbon, and it's just nice and deep. So we'll set that aside for the next birthday bash that we go to. And then my last item is a repurchase. I got these last year when they put them out for my husband. The large Chex Mix. Now my stores had a lot of the traditional, but not the flavored, and he likes the cheddar. This is an 8.75 ounce bag, and I checked at Walmart and they're right around $2.50. So that's a definite savings. And I did pick up 2. So just a quick little video to share what I found last week at the Dollar Tree. I'll be back with more videos this week. I'm almost done with my daughter's room, her boho room makeover. So I'll be sharing that with you guys this week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all very soon in the next video.